In chapter number 11, we have seen all the 3 exercises, and now last activity is given here. Compare and discuss a percentage bar diagram and a subdivided bar diagram. Use it to learn the graph in the subject like science, geography. So this is homework for you. You have to find the distinguishing point between percentage bar diagram and subdivided bar diagram, and then we can use it to learn the subjects like science, geography, etc. Okay, so this is your homework. Now we have to start chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 is equations in one variable. In the previous standard we have studied equations in one variable. The value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called solution of the equation. In the last years you might have studied that the equations are given to you. Suppose x plus 4 equals to 9, and we have to find the value of x. Such value of x that it will satisfy the equation. Means the answer for the equation we will get the correct answer, that we have to find the value of x. Solving an equation means to find the solution of the equation. The equation obtained by performing the same operation on its both sides does not change its solution. Means if the operation is performed, such as suppose x plus 4 equals to 9, then we have to find such value of x that if we add it with 4, then we should get the result as 9. The sides, left hand side is given as x plus 4 and the right hand side is given as 9. So both should match. Using this property we obtain new but simpler equation and solve the given equation. So first of all, the operations done on both sides of an equation are given here to add the same number to both sides. We can be given such an example that you have to add the same number on both the sides. Then we can be given to subtract the same number from both sides. We can be given to multiply both sides by the same number, or we can be given as to divide both sides by the same non-zero number. These operations are performed on the equations. Now let us see some solved examples here. Here it is given x plus 4 equals to 9. Means that we have to find such a number, such a value of x, such that by adding this number with 4 you will get the result as 9. So if we add 4 plus 5 you will get the result as 9. So how you will find out that whether x is equals to 5 or not, or what is the value of x? So let us see the solution. Here it is given x plus 4 equals to 9. So x equals to what we will do? 9 minus 4, means this left hand side is given as plus 4. So when it will go to right hand side, it will become minus 4. So 9 minus 4, as x equals to 9 minus 4. So x equals to 9 minus 4 is 5. So the value of x is 5. This is the answer. Okay. So you can write this in your textbook in the boxes. Now given here second example, x minus 2 equals to 7. Means you have to find such a value of x such that when you will minus or you will subtract 2 from that number, you will get the result as 7. So you know by orally observing that 9 minus 2 is 7. So x will be 9. But how to find out stepwise? Let us see. X minus 2 equals to 7 is given here. So what you have to do? You have to perform the calculation like this. X equals to, this is 7. Then minus 2 will go on right hand side and it will become plus 2. So x equals to 7 plus 2. So x equals to 9. This is the solution. So write down this solution in your boxes in the textbook. Now third question, let us see what is given in the solved example. X upon 3 equals to 4 is given here. Therefore x upon 3 multiplied by which number? So that you will get here 4 multiplied by which number? You have to find this. So let us see what is the answer. X upon 3 equals to 4 is given here. X upon 3 equals to 4. So x upon 3 equals to 4, write this like this, and then x equals to, now this multiplication, division divided by 3 is given here. So when it will go on right hand side, this division will become multiplication. Okay, like here we have done that addition when it went on right hand side it became subtraction, and here it was subtraction when it went on right hand side it became addition. So here it is division, when it will go on right hand side it will become multiplication. So x equals to 4 multiplied by 3, that is equals to x equals to 12. So value of x is 12. If we will put the value here, you can find out that 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, 3 4s are 12. So you got here. Now fourth example we have to see. 4x equals to 24. This x, when it will be multiplied by 4, then you will get the answer as 24. So you have to find the value of x. Let us see here the solution for finding the value of x. 4x equals to 24 is given. So x equals to, now 4 is in multiplication. So when it will go on right hand side it will become division. So x equals to 24 divided by 4. Okay, now divide this. 4 6 are 24. So x equals to 6. The value of x is 6. When you will put here the value of x, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Okay, so you got the result here.